This is a journey into darkness as we delve into the haunting account of a group of 5 young individuals. Among them, we focus on the unfortunate souls of Emily Parker and her brother, Samuel. Their story is a poignant reminder of how tragedy can strike even the most innocent and youthful among us. Little did they know that if fate had allowed them to live for countless years, they could never have foreseen or desired the disturbing depths of horror they were about to witness. What should have been a serene summer drive turned into a nerve-ending nightmare, forever altering their lives. The harrowing events that transpired on that fateful day would eventually uncover one of the most perplexing and chilling crimes ever recorded in the annals of American history: the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.